Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make the only guacamole dip you'll ever need. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need 3 ripe avocados, 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion, and 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. Don't forget 1 small jalapeno, 1 lime, and some salt. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get everything prepped. Carefully have your avocados, remove the large pits, and scoop the creamy green flesh into a mixing bowl. Next, finely dice your red onion and mince the jalapeno, removing seeds if you prefer less heat. Chop your fresh cilantro. Squeeze the juice from 1 lime directly over the avocado to prevent browning and add a bright flavor. Time to bring it all together. Using a fork or a potato masher, gently mash the avocado to your preferred consistency. Some like it chunky, others super smooth. Now, add in your diced red onion, minced jalapeno, and chopped cilantro. Stir everything together until well combined. Finally, season with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, then taste and adjust. Perfection. Your delicious, homemade guacamole is now ready to enjoy. Serve it up with your favorite tortilla chips, fresh vegetable sticks, or as a topping for tacos. For any leftovers, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the guacamole before sealing it in an airtight container to keep it fresh. This helps prevent browning. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your amazing dip.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.